Have you ever woken up and felt heavy, even before your day began? It's not about only physical tiredness, but it is something that sits on your chest, on your shoulders, and your heart. But then, you continue with your day. You check your phone, and then you proceed, and then you tell yourself, I am fine. But deep inside you, you know that you are carrying more than you are admitting. Many people would call this stress. But in my so many years of guiding people through yoga, meditation, and energy work, I can sense something deeper. This heaviness doesn't come from only one problem. This comes from many small things that you are unable to release. We are living in a world which teaches us how to perform, how to respond, and stay available. But very few people teaches us how to release. So we keep collecting emotions, conversations, disappointments, and expectations. Then you will ask, why do you feel full inside? So you need to release. And today, we are going to just practice a very simple routine for that. So I invite you to close your eyes, place your right hand on your heart, inhale through your nose, exhale slowly through your mouth. Do not force anything. And then just silently say to yourself, I do not have to carry everything today. Stay here a little bit if you wish. But if you feel good, you may slowly open your eyes. And this is where basically healing begins. It's not about fixing your entire life, but with one honest moment where your body feels safe to release.